Welcome to our video on basil, one of the most popular herbs grown in gardens in USDA hardiness zone 8. Basil is a tender annual herb that is easy to grow and adds flavor to many dishes. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil and can be grown in garden beds or containers. Basil should be harvested often to encourage bushy growth and prevent the plant from flowering. The leaves can be used fresh or dried, and basil is a key ingredient in many Italian and Thai dishes. Whether you're using it to make pesto, seasoning a tomato salad, or adding flavor to your favorite pizza, basil is a must-have herb for any gardener and kitchen. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about growing basil or other interesting plants, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks.